South Carolina 9th in the nation for most juvenile arrests, and that's according to the Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention. Our Georgia Marie Godfrey took a closer look at the numbers and what may be contributing factors.
In 2017, more than 13,000 youth cases were processed by the South Carolina Department of Juvenile Justice. Only 20% of those cases resulted in commitment to a detention facility. But data from the United States Department of Justice shows South Carolina ranks high in the number of juveniles arrested. The United States Department of Justice reports that in 2017, more than 1,500 kids between the ages of 10 and 17 were arrested in South Carolina.
A lot of the young people who are involved with our juvenile justice system are a part of the system for non-serious crimes.
But more than 10,000 juveniles were referred to the South Carolina Department of Juvenile Justice. In 2017, 1,000 were placed in DJJ custody. Others had cases dismissed to receive probation or were placed in a youth arbitration program. Programs youth advocates say are needed before a child is sent to DJJ.
When young people are detained, they have higher recidivism rates, meaning that they're more likely to return to a system. And that's why it's important for us to invest in those community-based alternatives, because they seek to get at the root causes.
School also plays an important role in keeping kids from behind bars.
The majority of their time, their meaningful time, is spent in school.
Which is why there has been a push to institute more mental health programs and resources in our schools.
It's a quick fix. People don't want to deal with the problems when it comes to problem kids. Oftentimes when a child gets to the point where they have a referral to DJJ, there were some signs before.
A few counties in the state have implemented intervention programs. However, there is not a statewide program.
Their brain doesn't develop fully on average until 25. So if you're giving them adult consequences without some meaningful intervention, I don't know how effective it would be.
According to the Department of Juvenile Justice, the most common offenses that result in a juvenile offender being placed into custody are assault and battery and burglary. In Columbia, Georgia Marie Godfrey, 7 News.
The Department of Juvenile Justice reports only about 10% of kids in their custody have serious or violent offenses.